Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to a very important video for the UPSC prelims examination. In this video, we are going to see some of the most important and repeated protected area which has come in the UPSC prelims examination in the last 10 years. Guys, there are more than 100 protected areas and it is not possible for aspirants to prepare all 100 protected areas. Guys, every year you will see at least 3 questions are coming on protected areas, so you cannot ignore this section. So what we will do is that I have prepared a list of important and repeated protected areas which are coming in the UPSC in a table format, which I am going to share with you. Guys, in this video I am going to cover 3 most important tiger reserves which are coming in the UPSC prelims examination over and over in the last 10 years. This is the part 1 of the series. If you give a good response to this series, then I will continue for other wildlife sanctuaries, national parks and biosphere reserves also. So guys, you can see this is the tiger reserve map of India. Today we are going to cover 3 most important tiger reserves which are located in a contiguous region in the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, which is the Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve, Bandipur Tiger Reserve and Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. Guys, in the last 10 years, more than 10 questions have come on these 3 tiger reserves, and some of the questions have interlinked 1 or 2 tiger reserves together. You can see the most important question which have come on this topic is in the Civil Services 2017 paper, where they have asked which of the following is important from the ecological point of view, which serves as a link between Eastern Ghat and the Western Ghat. The answer was Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve. Again, you can see in 2019 they have asked question where they have linked Mudumalai and Satyamangalam tiger reserves together. Again, you can see one question on Kaveri Basin protected area. Again, you can see Satyamangalam tiger reserve. Further, you can see questions have come on Bandipur Tiger Reserve. You can see Bandipur Tiger Reserve in 2012, and then you can see questions on Mudumalai Tiger Reserves have been very frequent. You can see 2020, then you can see 2019, and you can see 2017. So what I feel, preparing these 3 tiger reserves is very important, and today in this video I am going to share with you a scientific method of preparing these 3 tiger reserves. So guys, what I have done is that I have prepared a table of all the protected areas in a very scientific manner. Guys, if you analyze the protected area questions which have been coming in the UPSC prelims examination, you will see either they are asking that location of the tiger reserves or the protected area, or they are asking the rivers which are flowing from that protected area, or they are asking the adjoining tiger reserves or the protected areas, or they have asked questions on the vegetation, or they have asked questions on special features of that protected area. So guys, let us cover these 3 protected tiger reserves, protected area in a very scientific manner. So guys, let us begin. So guys, first we are going to cover the Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve. It is located in the district of Erode in Tamil Nadu. The river Bhavani, which is a tributary of Kaveri, flows through it. You can see this question which came in 2020, you see Kaveri Basin. So this type of question you can answer when you know which tributary or which river is flowing through that tiger reserve. Guys, this Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve is very unique. Why it is very unique? Because it is having contiguity with other tiger reserves like Bandipur Tiger Reserves, BRT Tiger Reserve and Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. Therefore, Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve can support a viable tiger population. Very important, very important. You need to keep this in mind. Next, the adjoining tiger reserves or protected areas are the BRT Tiger Reserves, Mudumalai Tiger Reserve, Bandipur Tiger Reserve and Kaveri Wildlife Sanctuary. Another very important fact you need to remember is the Great Moyar Wildlife Corridor. The Great Moyar Wildlife Corridor, which connects Mudumalai to Satyamangalam Tiger Reserves. Very important, Great Moyar Corridor. You need to remember this. As far as vegetation is concerned, tropical evergreen shola vegetation, semi-evergreen and mixed deciduous and dry deciduous forest is found in Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve. Here one thing you need to keep in mind is the sandalwood is found here. Sandalwood is found here, and this sandalwood smugglers are also very rampant in this tiger reserve. Very important. Guys, as I have told you that UPSC has already asked question that Satyamangalam Tiger Reserves is a link between Eastern and Western Ghat. That is the most significant feature of this tiger reserve. You can see here a wildlife corridor in Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve between the Western Ghat and the Eastern Ghat. It is a wildlife corridor. Very important. very important, and it is located in the Eastern Ghats, and the tribes which are known here to be found are the Irula tribe or the Urali tribes and the Soliga tribe. These two important tribes are found here, and a wildlife corridor for elephant movement also. It is a wildlife corridor for an elephant movement also. So this is the complete information about the Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve in just one table. In just one table like this, I have prepared table for each and every protected area which are getting repeated in the UPSC prelims examination. Guys, let us see another question here. Okay, another topic here. Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. This has been asked in the UPSC in 2020, 2019, 2017. Again, this is located in, you can see, a tri-junction of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and it is part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. It is part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Moyar River flows through it. Moyar River flows through it. Just now you remember Moyar, okay, corridor was basically the corridor which was connecting Mudumalai to Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve. You can see how things are related. Again, guys, you can see the surrounding national parks or protected areas are Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary, Bandipur Tiger Reserve, then Mukurthi National Park, Satyamangalam Tiger Reserves. These are the adjoining protected areas. Again, Wayanad is very much in news. Wayanad is very much in news because of the elephant conflict, elephant and human conflict. This is very important. You see how things are related, how you can prepare things in a very scientific manner. Bandipur is also in news. Why? Because Bandipur was one of the first tiger reserves under the 50 years of Project Tiger. Project Tiger. So Bandipur is also in news, very important. Okay, like this you need to prepare. So this Mudumalai Tiger Reserve, okay, Mudumalai Tiger Reserve is having contiguity with Wayanad, Bandipur, Murukuti and Satyamangalam. Again, guys, the two important corridors, which is the Moyar corridor, where Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve, Biligiri Ranganathan Temple Tiger Reserve and Kaveri Wildlife Sanctuary, and other corridor is Mudumalai, Murukuti and Silent Valley corridor. Guys, as far as vegetation is concerned, elephant grass is found here. Elephant grass is found, is very important. Mudumalai Tiger Reserve, very important. Elephant, guys, you all know last year there was one movie, okay, which is Elephant Whisper, which was in news. So very important. This Mudumalai Tiger Reserve is very important. Guys, tropical, subtropical vegetation is found here. The habitat is also known for swampy areas, which is called vales and grasslands. Guys, this sanctuary was enlarged in 1977 and incorporated into Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. It was declared a tiger reserve in 2007 and notified as a critical tiger habitat in 2007. Guys, Lantana camara is an invasive species which is found here. The most important information about the Mudumalai Tiger Reserve is the Thepa Kadu. Thepa Kadu, very important. Thepa Kadu. It is basically here lot of elephants are held in captivity for training, okay, and for conservation. Very important. Okay, Thepa Kadu. Thepa Kadu. Guys, this, remember this word is very important. It has the highest population of Asian elephant in the world. Mudumalai has the highest population of Asian elephants in the world. Guys, this is also a corridor for migration of elephants. Migration of elephants to Nagarhole, Bandipur and Mudumalai. Okay guys, the next topic is the Bandipur Tiger Reserve. The next topic is Bandipur Tiger Reserve. Bandipur Tiger Reserve is again important because this was the first tiger reserve in the Project Tiger, which is completing here 50 years. Okay, so this was asked in 2012 prelims examination. Guys, it is located in two districts of Karnataka, the Mysuru district and you can see here Chamara Nagar district of Karnataka. Guys, this is a continuous, okay, tri-junction of three states. It is found at the tri-junction of three states, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So this is again very important, tri-junction of three states. The park is flanked by Kabini River in the north and Moyar River in the south. This is important. So Kabini River in the north and Moyar River in the south, and the Nugu River runs through the park. The Nugu River runs through the park. Another important point which you need to keep in mind is the highest point of the park is called the Himawad Gopal Swami Beta, which is very important from the Hindu religion. Okay, very important. Guys, as far as the contiguous areas which are also very important, you can see it is surrounded by Mudumalai Tiger Reserve in Tamil Nadu, then Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary in Kerala, and guys, the Kabani Reservoir separates Bandipur with Nagarhole. This is very, very important. The Kabani Reservoir separates Bandipur with Nagarhole. Bandipur and Nagarhole, guys, these two tiger reserves are separated by by the Kabani River Reservoir. This is a very important information. Then, guys, vegetation is dry deciduous. Guys, this is a very important protected area. Why? Because it is at the ecological confluence of Western and Eastern Ghat, one of the tiger reserves, okay, which is near the ecological confluence of Western and Eastern Ghat. The reserve is a contiguous corridor between various states. You can see here Nagarhole, okay, Nagarhole Tiger Reserve and BRT Tiger Reserve. There is a continuous, okay, contiguous corridor for the movement of tiger. Very, very important. Again, I repeat, very, very important. The Nagarhole Tiger Reserve and BRT Tiger Reserve and the Bandipur Tiger Reserve form a contiguous corridor for tiger movement. You can see it is also contiguous with tiger habitats of Kerala, which is Wayanad, Tamil Nadu, which is Satyamangalam, and Mudumalai. Again, I repeat again, lot of times UPSC has been asking questions where all these three tiger reserves, which is the Mudumalai Tiger Reserve, the Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve, and the Bandipur Tiger Reserve, they have been asked together. So very, very important. So Bandipur along with Nagarhole, Mudumalai, Satyamangalam, Wayanad constitutes the world's single largest tiger population in the world. Very, very important information. Again, I repeat, Bandipur along with Nagarhole Tiger Reserve, Mudumalai Tiger Reserve, Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve, and Wayanad Tiger Reserve, they constitute the single largest population of wild tigers in the world. Very, very important. And the project Tiger, which is completing 50 years, was started in 9 tiger reserves in 1973, and Bandipur Tiger Reserve was one of those 9 tiger reserves. Therefore, also Bandipur is very, very important. Guys, you can see this is how you need to cover protected area in detailed manner. Guys, in the table which I have prepared for these repeated tiger reserves, it is a very detailed table which I'll be sharing as part of my Optima program. Guys, this is my Lakshya Optima program, and in this program, guys, I have conducted free environment map sessions. You can see here the biosphere reserves. All the biosphere reserves have been covered along with wetlands, So please do watch this. Okay, guys. So thank you, guys. Bye bye. Take care.